Using Apple Pay NFC payments is a convenient and secure way to make transactions with your Apple device. To get started, you need to have a compatible Apple device, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch, and a credit or debit card from a participating bank. First, you need to add your card to Apple Pay, which can be done by opening the Wallet app on your device and following the prompts to enter your card information. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make payments at participating merchants by holding your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticating the transaction with your fingerprint or face recognition. One of the main benefits of using Apple Pay NFC payments is the added security it provides. When you make a payment with Apple Pay, your actual card number is not shared with the merchant, reducing the risk of your card information being compromised. Instead, a unique device account number is used to process the transaction, which adds an extra layer of security. Another benefit of using Apple Pay is the convenience it offers. With Apple Pay, you no longer need to carry around a physical wallet or search for your credit or debit card to make a payment. You can simply use your Apple device to make transactions, making it a great option for people who are always on the go. In addition to the security and convenience benefits, using Apple Pay NFC payments can also help you to track your spending and stay organized. The Wallet app on your device allows you to view your recent transactions and keep track of your account balances, making it easier to manage your finances. To use Apple Pay effectively, make sure to only add cards from participating banks and keep your device and card information up to date. It is also a good idea to use a passcode or other security feature to protect your device and prevent unauthorized transactions. Overall, using Apple Pay NFC payments is a great way to make secure and convenient transactions with your Apple device. With its added security features, convenience, and ability to track your spending, Apple Pay is a great option for anyone looking to simplify their payment process.